Good morning, Paramotor Yacht. My name is Chris. This is my wife, Jolene, and we are the Wandering Knapps.
We also have 3 little boys, Carter, who's 12, Chase, who's 10, and Caleb, who's 9, and we've been living aboard our boat for about a year and a half now. Today,
we're going to take you with us as we go and do a day in the life aboard Illuminate. Illuminate is a 1987 Marine Trader Tradewinds 47 trawler.
We're currently in the Bahamas, in the South Exumas, anchored right outside of Georgetown.
And today we need to start our day by moving anchorages. The wind direction has changed, and so we're going to move to a more protected spot.
So here's the story of the Wandering Knapps. We are a family of 5 from Texas. Chris and Jolene met in 2nd grade and started dating our freshman year of high school. We got married in college, moved to Texas, and had 3 boys. Carter, Chase, and Caleb. We love to travel, so we bought a boat, spent 14 months in the Florida Keys, working, repairing, saving, and waiting. Join us on our journey as we travel, explore, and learn.
Time for our engine room checks. So we're going to check our coolant. It's a little bit low. We'll check our oil. We'll do this on both engines. Right in the middle. That one's good.
Coolant.
You got it. Everything's topped up, belts are tight, oil's good, coolant's good, transmission fluid's good. So through holes and sea strainers, those look good as well. Laundry's pretty much a non-stop thing for a family of 5. So everything we wear, we do laundry that day.
Who does the laundry?
That was the royal we. Jolene and the boys do laundry. This is my extent. I pretty much just pull it in.
I do the laundry. I use a bucket right up there, and then I just have a water hose there, and I just do all the laundry by hand every day, and then hang it up to dry, and the sun dries it great, and then Chris brings it in. Laundry's
See?
done.
I just did laundry.
You guys got your room stowed?
Yep.
How's that boxing affair?
Don't worry.
This is our helm box that we take up with us every time we move the boat.
We're moving today to a new anchorage. We're not moving very far. We're moving about 2 miles down Stocking Island, but we always use our ship logbook, even for just these short anchorages. It's just a good habit to have. So I write down our location, start hours, engine time, hours, weather, our distance, time, weather, sea state, all of that. So first thing I do is I get our engine start hours, 2181.5. And then Chris will start the engine, and we look at our navionics and weather always before we pull anchor. Then we'll pull anchor, and we'll get to the next anchorage today.
You ready to move anchorages, huh?
No, extreme.
Where does he go?
He's a pretty chill cat. So Tiger normally goes right to the top of those stairs. He's pretty chill. He's got his routine. He does well. Cheddar, our female cat, it depends on the day and the mood she's in. Sometimes she's under the couch. Sometimes she's right next to Tiger. Really, her best spot is when she sits on her back deck. We have a nice comfy chair. So we'll see where she ends up today. I don't know.
This is our dinghy go bag, and every time we take up the helm box, which Chris already has upstairs, And I start my Garmin InReach tracking, and then we let family and patrons know that we are moving. Check battery power on all of our hand radio. Make sure I have everything else in there. And then we take this upstairs with us too.
And then what do we got right there?
And we don't take that upstairs with us. We leave that right there. But that's our ditch bag, safety bag. Like, we're flipping the boat over, which we're only moving 2 miles today. There's no concern of that.
Famous last words.
Dude.
Time to fire up engines. We got an engine start time of 10:50 in the morning. It took a little longer to start than normal.
Why does it beep?
So that's my oil pressure gauge. It has an alarm, so if we lose oil pressure, that goes off, and it's so loud you can't not hear it. So because when you start the engine, there's no oil pressure, it has an alarm. Once oil pressure comes up, the alarm turns off.
Stop! No, if you want to look.
What are you making for lunch?
Oh, we're gonna eat pasta for the boys. I was thinking about doing another top ramen with canned chicken.
What about just chicken salad sandwiches?
This don't feel like a sandwich. Leftovers for lunch. Boys are getting some plain pasta. We're gonna have some.
We have to turn on the generator to get our microwave to work.
Energy hog. Done with lunch. Before we take off and go explore the island, we're gonna. I'm gonna dive on the anchor since we're gonna stay the night here, as well as just kind of look at the topography underneath on the ocean floor here. Make sure there's nothing sticking up I don't know about.
Cold? What do you see?
Nothing, it's just sand and seagrass. I'm just kind of looking to see if there's any coral heads, because we're going to swing out this way tonight.
Yeah.
We go for a ride in our high field over to Monument Beach. Maybe check out that tower up over there.
What do you have?
My camera.
Okay, hop in the boat.
No, he's got them ties.
Oh, am I
You're next.
next?
Okay, so you're the one who's in the boat. From the water.
Nice grab.
This is not the most sturdy dock, but it's a dinghy dock. And our dinghy's there.
we are going to go to Georgetown. We're going to get some grocery shopping done. I'll take that. Got a big bag of trash. Coolers for bringing stuff back. Hopefully we can eat out. And we've been meaning to go see our lady at the conch stand, and we got a soccer ball and some crayons for her daughter. And that's it. Let's go, boys. There you go, perfect. Down under. Nope, down under. There you go. And then cross it over. Yep, flip it under. Other. Surprised you, or what is different about the Bahamas that you didn't realize or was unexpected, or?
Everything is painted a bunch of different colors.
Oh, really?
Red, yellow,
Yeah.
blue, white.
You like it?
Yeah, there's like no laws against colors there.
All the bright colors?
You can literally look anywhere, probably see any color right there.
Like green.
We got lunch, and now we're gonna run over to. There's two different markets we're gonna hit. We're gonna hit Shop and Save, which is a little bit less expensive, and then whatever they don't have, we'll come back to the Exuma Markets and get. But the Exuma Markets is a little bit more expensive, and
But they tend to have everything, right?
yeah, and we can reach everything via dinghy dock or dinghying. So we'll just hop in the dinghy and go across the lake here, the little pond. We usually come to Provision and get food about once every 7 to 10 days.
Grab it. Here you go, Bubba.
We're at Shop and Save, and they have everything. Look at all that bread, and it's a lot less expensive than at the Exuma Markets. They have toilet paper, diapers, fruits. We got most everything at the Shop and Save. We're gonna go for some good produce over at the Exuma Market. They tend to always have really good produce there. Of course, it's a lot more
Don't push off
expensive.
yet.
We got bread, some fruits and veggies, and then some cold meats.
I got it. Mango.
Is it unopened? Yeah,
Orange, too.
grab that. Which kind?
Orange.
Yeah, sure, try it. Oh no, the cherry.
Broccoli. You want to get
Look at all this good.
Want one more?
Yes, yeah. Those avocados look.
Well, they all still have their.
Oh, that looks so good. Grab your oranges.
Do you have anything inside of it?
Just get one. Just get one bag of oranges. Strawberries are on sale. What are you looking for?
or pinto beans. I don't know if pigeon pea is the same. Of course, there's green pigeon peas. It's got to be different.
Well, and it said the ingredient is pigeon peas, so it's not the same. They even have healthy vegan butter. They have a lot of good stuff here. Sour cream. They have sausage. Oh, there's your cheese.
Yeah, that's what I thought.
How much were the bubblies?
$11.52.
Oh, ouch. Here's another one.
The Exuma Market, we spent, it was like $230, I think.
Ouch.
So it is a...
Definitely more.
But they've got a nice dock for you. They actually give away free water to cruisers if you want to come fill your cans of water. We're blessed. We have a water maker, so we don't have to do that. And it's dinghy right up to the back of the store. So the other one, not bad. You can dinghy across the pond. It's still okay.
They were a lot cheaper though. They were.
Yeah, they just don't have everything, and they seem to always have pretty good quality at Exuma Market. So just like anywhere else.
are going to head back now to the boat. The wind has picked up, but that's how we provision. That's what we do. We try not to do it very often because it's really expensive, and then it's a little inconvenient.
It's life.
Real life.
Gotta eat.
That's a day in the life aboard Illuminate. Every day is a little bit different depending on the weather, where we are, what breaks, and what we have planned.
We just want to say thank you so much to Power Motor Yacht for allowing you to come along with us for the day. So if you enjoyed that and you want to see more about our story or more about our journey, please check us out on YouTube. We post an episode every single Friday. That's youtube.com/wanderingnapps. You can also catch us on our other social media, Facebook and Instagram, which is also Wandering Naps.
Once again, thank you for watching and
Enjoy the journey.